how to disconnect EA account on Steam. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can disconnect EA account on Steam. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up myaccount.ea.com website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, navigate around account security, which is where I'm at right now, and we'd click on connections. Now, when we click on connections, it should bring up this pop-up right here with a bunch of different platforms where we can link our accounts to. So there's PSN, there's Xbox Live, there's Apple, and there's Steam, Discord, Amazon, so on and so forth. Now the idea here is you'd simply want to click on this button next to the corresponding platform that you would want to unlink. So if I were to click on unlink from Steam, this would effectively remove my account from, or I should say my EA account over at Steam. So that's how you can disconnect EA account on Steam. That's all for this video.